Moses in Egypt begins with this very dramatic opening chord, this evocation of the plague of darkness. You have these pounding, deep notes that have this very fatalistic timpani drum roll over the top. And that's how we have this evocation of the Egyptians in all their despair.
When Rossini wrote Moses in Egypt, he was writing a sacred drama for the period of Lent in Naples. And he's really using a biblical story simply as a kind of background to a sort of noble and rather serious drama.
The thing with Rossini is that you always get to enjoy him on multiple levels. You can just sit back, relax, and listen to the music. Disregard detail, disregard what the characters stand for. As sheer music, it is usually an utter delight to listen to. But once you get into the drama, it becomes a very stimulating experience.
Wanted to have a very clear color distinction between Israel and Egypt, and also to touch on the eloquence of the music of this by using a very vibrant visual style. So basically we've looked at Chagall, who did all those wonderful drawings and paintings of life in the Jewish villages in Russia, very often using these very, very intense colors. And so the whole Israelite world is in this very intense blue-green that you remember from Chagall paintings, and the whole Egyptian world is in a very intense sort of yellow-red. Juxtaposing those two color ideas is a way also of bringing across the kind of formal, rather stately progress of this drama.
One of the things that I found very stimulating about this opera is how it superimposes a love story upon the biblical tale. It is the Romeo and Juliet story, just revisited and transposed from the realm of the family feud to a realm of religious conflict. Elcia is Jewish and Osiride is not only Egyptian, he happens to be the son of the pharaoh. So I found that very, very powerful, that this opera was able to tell a fairly powerful love tale on top of the biblical subject.